Kia ora guys, welcome for a new tip. Today I'm going to talk about accessories. I'm going to do a quick review about a new brand that sent me these accessories. This is HSU. The brand is called HSU. This is a pole they can use for DSLR or for GoPro top. And I've got this one. It's quite a big case and it's mainly for GoPro, and I'm gonna show you indeed what we can fit inside. There you go guys, that's a case, HSU case. It's 30 for 20 centimeters. You can carry it like with a handle on top. Let's open it. You got a classic web underneath here, and then you can pull the cables on the micro SD, so it's a very big one. I would say if you travel it's perfect because you can put all your gear. You can put a pole, camera, cables, and even other components like a phone charger or a phone or other things related to videos and photo. Let's have a quick check with some stuff that I got here already. So I remove this one and then I put the, and then I'm gonna put the three-way. There you go. Take out some of this, and then I can put the case of the GoPro with the GoPro inside, of course, but I want to show you the difference chance that you have. Can remove another one like this, for example, and then put the GoPro. Perfect. You can put one the screw, let's put the battery as well, and here you can put a battery. That's a quick example. That's a quick example that what you can do on with the case. It's up to 7 batteries, as you can see here, 3 and 4, 7, up to 4 GoPro, 1 without case and 3 with a case, so you can use whatever GoPro you want. You got some other mounts that you can put, like the adhesive mount here, a pole, and then all the rest, as previously show you, you can put on the part upper here. Let's move this for a bit. And let's have a check of the selfie stick. I think the case is very good. It's a hard case. You can use it for travel, so it's very good. You can carry all your gear. Of course, you don't go with 4 kilograms of GoPro accessories. Just a few of them are fine, depending on the activities you're gonna do and in which weather or climate you're gonna go and travel. And let's open the box. There you go. We got the pole. Let's see what we have. We got a lock for the phone. Yeah, so you can stick the phone on top of pole. Got a lace. Every time it's very good to have a lace. I'm seeing a screw here, so I guess it's going underneath. Let's have a look later. This is to put the GoPro remote control. You're gonna use it more for GoPro Hero 3 now. Everyone uses remote, so we don't really need to use this anymore. But for the old vintage GoPro, it's fine. For the old GoPro, I would say. Let's have a check for another thing inside here. Got a case, and this is a nice tripod. It's very strong, and you can use it in like very base like this. If you can lift it up a bit, it's locked. A very nice one. First time I see something like this, very cool. And then you close it, it comes in very thin, very small. Let's see if it can open. There you go. The main thing is the pole with a case.